bamboo and sustainable wood products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. So for example, in here we have a lot of products from a lot of sellers. So for example, and those sellers are making a lot of money from selling these products. So for example, let's check one of these products like this one, for example. So here in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can be a seller and how to create a shop page exactly like this one, where you list the pictures of your product, where you add the price of your product and the description, how to add the sizes if there are any sizes in your product, also how to add the item details or the product details, and how to add or how to set the shipping and return policies. So let's just go back to the first page, which is this one. Then go to your top right, click on the shop manager button to proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. And here we have 6 steps to go through in order to set our Etsy shop. And the first step is the shop preferences. Then comes choosing a name for the shop. Then you start your shop, you choose how you get paid, then set up your payment processors, then you end with the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. So here you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So I'm just going to change the currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is choosing a name for the shop. So for example, let's choose this name and let's remove sustainable in order to make the name short. And that's it. The name is now between 4 and 20 characters, and it has no special characters, spaces, or accented letters. And it's also available. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stocking your shop. And it's where you add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So before going to add the photos and details about the item, first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields that we need to fill in order to proceed to the next step. So here the first one is the photos. It's required to have at least one photo. Then we have the inventory, where you will need to enter the price of the product. Then comes the listing details, and here as well you will need to fill all of these red fields, and the same thing with the shipping. You will need also to fill all of these red fields with correct information, of course. So let's start from the first step, which is photos. So here add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So we start with the title. Here we enter the title of the product. Then we have these 3 questions to go through. The first one is who made it, and you have 3 options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things? Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? You have 3 categories to choose from. Not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. Then for the category, just type the product's name and you will have a lot of categories to choose from. So here, for example, let's choose this category. Then you choose the craft type, the wood type, and the primary color, secondary color, and the cut to size. And here we have the renewal options. If you want to choose the automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents, or you want to go with the manual, which is free. Then we have the type, if it's a physical product or a digital product. Then in order to write or to enter a good description for the product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partners. So here you can add a new production partner if you have one. And here for the section tags and materials, they are optional. So let's just skip them for later. Then we have the price. So here, make sure to give your product a fair price for you and for your clients. Then we have the domestic and global pricing. You can turn it on or off. Then we have the quantity. You can choose a quantity in here, or you can just type it. Then we have the shipping. So here you can turn all of these red fields into white by putting the right information, like for the processing time 5 to 7 days, delivery time, let's say 10 days, and let's say 10 business days, and the same thing with these other ones. Then we have the returns and exchanges policy. You can apply the 30 days one, or you can choose another one. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.